Hi folks, this is Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of July 5th, 2011. The charts from this presentation are from the Trade Navigator software. Use it every day. In the bond market, bonds had just an amazingly hard sell-off last week after a pretty impressive rally here, but you can see the sell-off carried right to the mid-Keltner channel on the weekly, and it looks like they're turning back up here. The resistance, if they're going to continue lower, is right around 123.24, which they've reached at this point, but I think it's likely that they'll be back above 125 here. This is 125.06, and we could even see them up here at I think that's 126.26, 28, something in that area. Just depends on how strong they are. The market is going to get buffeted by several things. At the end of the week, we have the ADP employment, which usually comes out on a Wednesday, is on Thursday this week. And then we have the big monthly report on Friday. So awfully difficult to think you know what they're going to do before reports like that, because they can do just about anything once those reports come out. So we're kind of stuck waiting to see what they do Thursday, Friday. But if they do go lower, I mean, that blue area down below price there is 121, and I wouldn't rule that out. I mean, that's possible, but it looks like this is an area they should at least bounce back from. Now, in stocks, almost the opposite situation. After breaking down hard for a few weeks, we had an incredibly strong up week, the biggest up week since November of '08. And if you know the reason for that, you're better off than I am, because it makes no sense to me. I think it's a little misguided, and I think this week should probably consolidate. We have this support below the market here at 1305, which I would expect they would go try. But just creating a little bar, consolidating this move somewhere between where they are and 1305 makes a lot of sense to me. If that's not the case, and if this amount of strength is real, you can see the resistance up here really kind of matches the old high, and they could certainly pop right up there. That would be kind of surprising, though. What I believe is that they probably won't go to new highs, and I think they'll consolidate this week, take some time, and then test whatever high they make. How they behave once they test that will be the controlling factor as to whether they are going to new highs or turning back down. My guess is they should turn back down, but they may be looking at something different than I'm looking at. So that's the best I can do for Monday on Tuesday this week. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for checking in with us.